Hi, this is Dave Out Loud. Hey, it's been a while, and the reason why I'm here today is to talk about the Rubik's Cube. This is actually a Rubik's Cube. There are other cubes that are made by other companies, and I learned to solve a Rubik's Cube a couple of years ago, but I grew up trying to learn them, and I could never do more than one side. Then my son came along and he learned how to do the cubes, and he taught me the algorithms for them. And for the past couple of years, I've been solving. But today I went and bought a new 2x2 cube because my old cube was like, so hard to move. It takes an extra 8 seconds just to spin it around. So I got a 2-pack at Walmart, and they were actually Rubik's Cubes. And I came to think, I've never actually solved a Rubik's brand cube. So here I am trying to solve a cube today for the first time, a Rubik's Cube. And so when you solve a Rubik's Cube at a competition, they give you like 15 seconds to look at everything. And when you solve the cube, you decide what color you want to solve for, and you put that on the bottom. So I'm going to solve for green, which is I usually do. And then I've done my 15 seconds of time here. So I am going to start. This is Dave Out Loud, going out